beautiful day in a beautiful city.
We're going to show you how to take your memories to the next level using just your phone and a tiny gimbal, the brand new Zhiyun Smooth Q4.
We're going to be doing some touristy things, we're going to be having some fun.
Ice cream.
This is purely professional. And we're going to show you how to elevate your videos, whether it's from your travels, fun days out, whatever.
Take them to the next level with some creative ideas. Let's go.
Let's make them look cool.
First shot we want to get is what filmmakers call an establishing shot, because we want to trigger those memories with a nice wide shot of the beautiful location. We're going to use this as a drone, because why not? Drones flying in cities, it's not ideal. So what we can do is we can just fake it with this.
Next up is the hyperlapse. This is a sick way to show any location, whether it's the Big Ben, the Taj Mahal, Burj Khalifa, whatever. Stick the gimbal in the standard pan follow or lock mode. You can use the app to actually select the point of interest to track it. Just walk with it and film normally. Then what you do is speed up the clip and it looks like this. Play it now. I hope Sal has played it for you. I hope she's playing it now. So here I was minding my own business, filming a cheeky hyperlapse through the street, when a man approaches me with a strange camera, puts me in a newspaper. Just FYI, this is not just an excuse to get pancakes, it's purely business. We all want memories of our food, right? When making your vid, you want to transition from point A to point B, and a good, quick, dynamic way to do that is using movement. You can do this with the VORTEX mode, so go in the app, select VORTEX, and then just spin the gimbal, and then you can stitch like 3 or 4 locations together for a super effective, quick little tour of where you've been.
So one unexpected way to film a location or show off like an activity is using stop motion. So basically you would film it as normal, film like moving around. Ideally I think the subject should be like moving around, twisting, twirling, eating something. It's just that simple, and then the whole magic comes in editing, where you remove frames to make it look choppy. Ideally this would be done with like photography, but no one's got time for that when they're out having fun. We'll do it with video instead.
The thing about travelling is you're always on the move.
And the best thing about having a gimbal to film is that you can get smooth motion whilst in action. And you know what everyone's favourite method of transport is right now? So the next creative way to film your location is with the POV mode.
Basically just let it rip in POV.
Great way to show off like rooftops and buildings. It's just so much fun.
It's always good to get your creative juices flowing and to wow the viewer by adding in a unique shot. The shot we're going to do today, we like to call it Around the World.
Well, that's what we've named it, but we first saw it on Parker Woolbeck's YouTube channel, so...
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
Is that a professional ice cream?
This is purely professional. That's it. Thanks so much for joining us on our fun day out with the Smooth Q4.
Did we buy pancakes and ice cream and
a slushie?
Floss and a slush pup? Yes, we did. Was this also professional?
This is strictly personal.
Was it worth it? Absolutely.
It did allow us to thoroughly test and play with the gimbal, and honestly it was so much fun.
Thanks so much to Zhiyun for sending it us before its release. Like, that is
such a big deal for us.
Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you found any of these tips helpful and if it's inspired you to use them in your next vid. We want to see it. So
yeah, send us your vids, send us your travel vids. We want to see them, and see you in the next one.
Bye. We hope you